there, it's Ashley from WTI. Let me introduce you to the SquidCup. If you are looking for a non-tipping cup holder, the SquidCup is a solid choice. It uses a micro suction base to stay put on smooth surfaces like glass, plastic, or granite. It makes it perfect for boats, RVs, desks, coffee tables, for golf carts, and it holds a variety of different sizes from 12 to 30-ounce tumblers, also water bottles, cans, and it has built-in stabilizers. It's made from really high quality materials. You do need to use it on a non-textured surface, but it comes with a mounting system. So if you do want to use it on a textured surface, for instance, maybe your car, then you mount it and it has a disc that you simply put the SquidCup on. So I think it grips really well, as you can see here in the golf cart. So if you're using it on the right surface, it works great. It keeps your drink secure. And if you're tired of spills at home, whether it's from little kids or pets, the SquidCup is a game changer and I would highly recommend it. I'm loving it and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.